Guys, today in this video gonna to show you how to turn the desktop background image on and off in Windows PC. So first click on Start menu. Now click on the color icon, this settings. Now click on Ease and Access. Here the option show desktop background image. So window background will be off. You can test. Window background is the off. And if you want to turn off, so click Start menu. Click this scale icon. Other option, Easy and Access. And this option show desktop background image, so toggle on position. Show notification for 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 30 seconds, so 5 seconds on. See cursor section. So by this simple method, turn off and on Windows 10. Thanks for watching.